show. Thank you, Christine, for the reminder. All right, great. So she messaged me privately and I showed to everyone and everyone can see. Okay, doesn't matter. Coming back to operating at the affect level, as I was saying, right? Even me, I had been putting on hold because there are just too many things to do. I did not have the time to do the video presentation or do online learning. But now, because we're all stranded at home, it's either do or do. So we are in that situation right now. All right. So another example would be your friends that you have. Do you have friends who day in, day out call you and complain and blame and just complain about everything, even complain about the virus and all that? Don't make friends with them. Get away from them, all right? Jamuna, we are here for a 3 minutes video presentation. Why are you sharing about this? Because I would like my ladies to have a great mindset even before you begin the video. You have to have a mindset that, hey, I am operating at a cost level. I have not done video presentation before, but I'm going to do it because it's going to help me. It's going to help my business. And there's one of you who's a housewife who has texted me and said that, Jamuna, I don't have a product. I'm not doing a business. I'm just a housewife. No. You are not just a housewife. You are managing a household. I'm here just to learn. Good. Then you be my best student. All right. You be my best student. All right. So there are no difference among anyone here. We are all equal. We have a lot of industry experts even in our chat room, and they will be sharing their stories, you know, later on. All right. In our future sessions. All right. So do not worry. We're all here to learn together. Okay, so coming back to this, so please, I would like my ladies to operate at a cost level and not give any excuses or blames on why you can't even start your video. Okay, so are you ready? We're going to do a quiz right now, and please get ready into your chat box. Okay, let's start the quiz. This is my chance to test whether are you paying attention or not. Wait, you know, guys, I'm still meddling how to do this thing. Like sometimes it's, okay, got it. Let's just check if there's anybody in the waiting room. All right, no, everyone is here. Great. Okay, I'm gonna open the chat box. And what are you going to do right now is that I'm gonna ask you a question. I'm gonna give you a statement like this, leader. Okay. And you are going to type in the chat box whether is this operating at a cost level or operating at effect level. So remember, operating at cost level is taking charge, being responsible. Operating at effect level is being on a negative mode. All right, so leader, come on, just type in the chat box, C or E. C or E, come on guys, quickly, type C, great, everyone. Okay, someone has written here, okay, Ken, but I would appreciate if you would, you know, delete that. All right, C, leader is definitely, everyone, the rest, good. Please be interactive because I'm trying to make this as interactive as we could. Thank you. Yes, leader is you're operating at a cost level. So I would like you to get so much value out of my session that every time that you're really learning, you're learning something new and keep your mind really open, all right? I'm not just going to restrict for you to do a 3 minutes video. When your video is ready, you're going to be boom, all right? So you're going to really operate at a cost level and you're going to increase your business and all that. Somebody's at the waiting room. Taran Noah, all right? Okay. Okay, I just hope that this is a lady that's joining in. All right. May I ask this person, sorry, let me interrupt, Galaxy J3 Pro, who are you? Can you please, you know, voice out? Geeta, is this you, Galaxy J3 Pro?
No.
No, okay, who's this Galaxy J3 Pro? Raise hand. Okay, somebody raise hand. Wait, I'm gonna, yes, I know you, that's you, but what's your name, please? What's your name? Can you please type in the chat box?
You muted her, so she cannot hear.
Is it? Okay, thank you, Nava. Thank you. Let me go and unmute her first. Unmute. Okay, Galaxy J3 Pro, who are you? Can you please come to the screen? Hi. What's your name again?
Prima?
Prema. Yes, yes. Thank you, Prema. Thank you, Prema. And the new person who joined in, Tara Noah.
Taranjit here.
Taran.
Hi.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Welcome, Taranjit. You missed the first session, right?
Yeah, I missed the first session.
Okay, no worries. Okay. Now, I'm sorry. I'm just going to mute all of you. Yeah. All right. Mute and okay. Or you could just mute yourself. Yeah, no problem. All right, great. Selvin, thank you. Jamuna is a great leader. Now, some of you, I notice you still have this on your screen. So what you need to do is that go here, clear all drawings, and then go back to mouse, and then cancel this. All right. Guys, please learn together. I'm also learning. Okay, next. Okay, quiz continues. Own emotional state is dependent on others. All right, is it operating at a cause level or an effect level? Wow, well done, well done, well done. Thank you. That means that I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm angry. It all depends on other people. Good. My husband doesn't make me happy. Okay, that's an example of other women. Okay. My kids make me angry. My boss never irritate me. All these are effect, all right, operating at effect. You are responsible for your own thoughts and your own, you choose what emotions you want to exhibit. Great, let's carry on. Next, initiative, very easy. What is initiative? Can you please type C or E? Okay, my girl is participating. Since it's for women, I will just allow her. Yes, operating at a course level. All right, you comfortable? Yeah. No, you just sit there. Okay, great. Next, make things happen. You're gonna make your video happen. Come on, guys, just keep typing, ladies. Right? Yes, excellent. Operating at a course level. All right. Imagine in another 5 days, your awesome video is gonna be out, and you're going to be really, really glad that you did it. Okay, so you're operating at a cost level. Okay, next. Okay, again, I'm going to clear the chat, the word. I think somebody, okay, never mind. I'll clear that later. Okay, how about victim? You're operating at a effect level. Well done. You're operating at a effect level. So, of course, in today, earlier I had a session that someone said that, yes, Jamuna, we have the virus and the COVID-19, so I can't I really cannot control this. So does it mean that, I am operating at the effect level? Well, the thing is that, let me just clear first. It's okay for you to fall, Vijay, this is operating at the effect level, yeah? E, operating at the effect level, all right? Asking a lot of why, blaming, all right? But thank you for responding. So even me can fall into an effect level when something unpleasant happens, when something uncomfortable happens, and when you didn't plan for it. It's a ill thing that happened, and you can fall into the effect mode. But then you have to jump on into the course level. So you will be doing this video presentation, and some people may like it, some people may not like it, and they're going to give all this comment. All right, they're going to give all this comment, but then you decide whether are you going to operate at the course level, or you're going to become like a victim and operate at the effect level. All right, great. So let's continue. Opportunistic, very clear. Operating at a cause or effect level. Opportunistic. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes, yes. Cause level. You grab the opportunity, right? You want to do grab. So now is the opportunity. You can either say that, well, I'm standing at home. I cannot do anything. Now, let me assure you, I'm speaking to so many ladies. Either you are single, whether you are happily married, whether you pretend to be happily married, anyway, or you are alone, that you are trapped somewhere and you cannot go to your family and you're really, really trapped. We are all in this together. Whether you used to be full-time working or you're a housewife, everyone, all right? We are experiencing some form of difficulty. So get the opportunity on what you can do now. Grab the opportunity. Okay, next. No choice. No choice. I have nothing. No choice. All right. Okay, I'm going to share a story about a Sifu. A Sifu is a wizard, right? A great, knowledgeable guy. All right. Listen, yeah, because you have to answer. All right. So you have to answer this. In a village, there is this Sifu. The guy is 100 years old, the Sifu, and he can predict the future. He can predict next week what's going to happen. He can predict what's going to happen in the next a few days, in the next month. All right, he can do all that. So fantastic. People in the village go to him before starting their business, their small little business, before finding the love of their life, or even for their children. Anything, they will go to him. He's a fortune teller. In the same village, there was a little boy, about 12 years old. And the boy, smart. He thinks like a child, right? And acts like a child. He said that, is the wizard really that smart? I want to test him. I want to check to prove, and I want to prove that this wizard is wrong. So he wanted to play a trick on the wizard. So you know what he did? He caught a little bird, all right? He caught a little bird. Okay, no choices effect. He caught a bird, a little bird. Like, you know the sparrow, burung pipit, he caught that, the bird, and then he kept it in his pocket. Okay, the 12-year-old boy kept the little bird in his pocket, and then he walked to see the wizard, the Sifu. He went there. Of course, the Sifu already knows the intention of the boy. So the Sifu was just looking at him. Yes, my dear little boy, my dear young man, what can I do for you? And the little boy said, Sifu, I have a bird in my pocket. Since you are the most wise person in this village, I would like to ask you, is the bird in my pocket, a small little bird, he can just hold it and put it in his pocket, a big pocket he has, is it dead or alive? Okay, now over to you all. You are the Sifu right now, ladies. So I would like you to type your answer. Imagine you're the Sifu and the little boy is asking you the question. The bird in the hand inside the pocket where Sifu cannot see, is it alive or dead? I would like you to type your answer. So come on, let's get some answers. So you are the Sifu right now. So it's the, it depends on the boy's choice. Okay, what else? What else? There is an answer for this. So the bird, is it dead or alive? I would like to hear a few responses, please. Come on, be participative. So what did the Sifu say? Alive? See, look, a small little bird. The boy is holding it. Alive? All right, these are all the pet lovers. Yeah, Selvin, alive? It's inside the pocket, all right? He can't see that. If I say the bird is dead, you will keep it alive. If I say alive, you will kill it. Wow. Christine, dead or alive? All right. Okay. Some of you already got the answer correctly. Yes. The Sifu said, just like how Miss Nawa had replied here, if I tell you that your bird is alive, you would just squash the bird in your pocket and kill it. And then you will tell me that, no, you are wrong, Sifu. The bird is dead. And if I tell you that the bird is alive, dead, you would actually bring it out from your pocket and let the bird fly and say that you are wrong, Sifu, the bird is alive. So thank you for your responses, ladies. So people who say no choice, they are operating at an effect level, and we don't want to get into that. So I would like the ladies that I work with, the videos that you're going to present, it's all about operating at cost level. All right, operating at cost level, because only when you have that kind of energy and vibes, trust me, your business will bloom, your personal growth will also bloom. Great. So storytelling, excuses, very easy. Come on guys, C or E, cost, operating at cost or effect. Yes, excuses are people who give a lot of excuses. They're operating at a cost or effect. Great. Now, to sum up this point here, what I would like to say is that when you have a problem, it is fine to operate at an effect level. That means that you are like lost and you're complaining and you're blaming, but don't stay there too long. All right. Do not stay there too long. Don't dwell on it. So Jamuna, how would I know whether I'm operating at the effect or I'm operating at a cost level? Signs and symptoms. I want to do this 3 minutes video presentation, but I don't think so I can do it. I want to do this video, but I'm not going to look good on the camera. I want to do this video, but I really don't have the content to say. I want to do this video, but I'm just worried what other people are going to say. Then you're operating at a effect level, and that applies to every aspect of your life. And I'm not a motivational expert or a guru. Only you can motivate yourself, and you can jump to the operating at the cost level. All right.